Hello everyone, I'm Bill Davenport. I'm the operator of Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets here in the Florida Panhandle and Lower Alabama. Today on our farmers market tips and tricks, we want to talk to you guys about continuity. Continuity as a vendor at a market. It's really important when you get first set up at a market to give it some time. You got to get established. You got to get the customers out here used to you being out here. They got to get to know you. The first time at the market, vendors are gonna, or customers are gonna come out and they're gonna check you out. They're gonna talk to you, they're gonna get to know you before they come back and they purchase. There's a rule of thumb in the market realm that really you should give 8 to 12 weeks at a minimum before you make a decision on whether to leave a market or to stay. That really gives you time to build a community, to build a rapport with the customer base, and then to start really getting those sales increasing. So continuity, something that's overlooked, something that's incredibly important at a market, so don't give up too early. I know sometimes it's rough, but I promise you guys, it'll be worth it in the end. If you guys have found our videos helpful and enjoyed them, we'd love for you guys to smash that subscribe button, give us a like on the videos, and please leave us some comments. We love the comments, we love the feedback, we'd love to interact with you guys, and as always, we can't wait to see you at your market.